I've been always using my PC to flash stock firmwares to my device, but now I'm using a very powerful tool to do that without using a PC. Shark Django is here, and I'm gonna show you how to flash stock firmware using FlashFire app on your Android device without a PC. Let's get it done. First of all, your device has to be rooted with a Super SU by Chainfire or CM root. PHH's Super User is not supported. You don't have to have custom recovery installed on your device like Turp or CWM, just the root will do the trick. I use Galaxy S4 for the demonstration, but you can do the same steps on any Android device that's supported by FlashFire app, and I believe that all Samsung and Nexus devices are supported at this moment. As you see, I have a custom ROM installed on my device, and I'm gonna flash a stock firmware on my Galaxy S4. Download a stock firmware to your internal storage or SD card or USB stick if your device is supported, but I recommend to use internal storage because it will be faster in the flashing process, especially if your firmware package is huge. Zip files and tar files are supported, so no need to unzip any downloaded files. Just download the firmware package and FlashFire app will do everything for you. Now go to FlashFire app, hit the plus button and select Wipe, choose System Data, Third-Party Apps, and Dalvik. Now hit OK. This is very important if you want your device to boot normally. Hit the plus button again and select Flash Firmware Package. Select the file location and choose the firmware zip file or tar file. It will take some time to load according to the file size. Make sure not to select all the protected partitions, and this will differ from device to another, but as a rule of thumb, you can select all the partitions except the protected ones. For me, boot, recovery, system, cache, and preload are selected by default, and all the protected partitions are deselected, so I'm gonna leave it as it is. For some reason, Samsung made the modem as a protected partition, which is not recommended to flash via FlashFire app. So if your Wi-Fi didn't work after the first boot, then you will have to use a PC to flash your modem after flashing the firmware. If you want to root your device while flashing the stock firmware, then make sure to inject Super SU. If you want to remove any custom recovery like Turp, go to Reboot and deselect Preserve Recovery. Now we are good to go. Hit the flash button and wait for the process to be done. The screen will go black for 30 seconds or less. After that, the flashing process will start and you will see the progress on your screen. Sometimes it may fail on the first attempt. In this case, repeat the same steps and it's gonna be okay. Now the flashing process is done and my device rebooted to finish the firmware installation. The first boot will take some time as usual. And as you see, now the firmware is installed and everything is working very well. Here Super SU is installed and you still have the custom recovery on your device. I'm gonna do a full review on FlashFire app very soon. If you are interested in a powerful alternative for custom recoveries, make sure to subscribe and enable the channel notifications to get the video once it's published. If you like the video, please don't forget the like button. Thank you for watching. Peace.